Hello friends, this is Yogita Parmar and today we are going to cover the next topic of digestive system, that is the small intestine. It is very important topic. Okay, so the first very curious thing about the small intestine is that it is 7 meter long. It is 7 meter long. You can see here there is blue color structure in the diagram. It is small intestine. It is extensively coiled structure. Okay, and if we see the length is 7 meter long. Okay, and it is the longest part of the एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. पूरी एलिमेंट्री कैनाल का ये लॉन्गेस्ट पार्ट है. तो क्यूरियस थिंग इज देन व्हाई इट इज नोन एज स्मॉल. ठीक है, जब इतना लंबा पार्ट है, सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट पार्ट है एलिमेंट्री कैनाल का, तो व्हाई इट इज नोन एज स्मॉल. द आंसर इज दैट द डायामीटर, ओके, द डायामीटर इज वेरी स्मॉल, इज नैरो है. इसका डायामीटर बहुत बहुत नैरो है. That's why it is known as small intestine. Whereas if we look at the large intestine, it is the diameter of the large intestine is much broader. Therefore, it is known as large intestine. Nothing else. So the first curious thing is that it is the longest part of the alimentary canal. It is 7 meter long. It is known as small intestine because of its narrow property. Okay. So this is the first thing about the small intestine. Okay. Now the second important part, that the different organisms have different length of the small intestine. In human it is 7 meter long. In herbivores it is much longer than the humans. Now why the herbivores has the longest small intestine? This is the favorite question of the board people. They used to ask this, why the why the small intestine is larger in the herbivores. The answer is that the herbivores used to eat plants. Okay, and the plants have what? The plants have cellulose. It has cellulose. And to digest cellulose, the herbivores required the long small intestine. Okay. So the answer, if the question comes why the herbivores have long small intestine than the humans, the answer is that because they have to digest the cellulose. Okay, and the humans does not digest the cellulose. उनके अंदर cellulose को digest करने का ऐसा कुछ भी मशीनरी नहीं रहती है. Okay, you can say like that. So second important point is that herbivores have long small intestine than humans because they have to digest cellulose. Okay, now we come to the small intestine. Very important part is that the bile juice from the liver and the pancreatic juice from the pancreas, they join a single duct and it enters, both the juices enters into the small intestine. ठीक है, bile juice कहाँ से आ रहा है? लिवर से, और पेनक्रियास से पेनक्रियाटिक जूस आ रहा है, और दोनों एक ही डक्ट के थ्रू कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में एंटर होते हैं. ठीक है, तो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के पास दो जूसेस हो गए, एक तो बाइल जूस हो गया, ठीक है, और एक पैंक्रियाटिक जूस हो गया, एंड वन मोर जूस it secrete that is secreted by its own wall, that is known as intestinal juice. Okay, intestinal juice, which is secreted by the wall of its own. ठीक है, small intestine की अपनी wall से secrete होता है intestinal juice, which helps in the digestion. So finally, in small intestine, the complete digestion of proteins, of fats and of carbohydrate takes place. ठीक है, so this small intestine is the site of complete digestion. ठीक है, यहाँ पे complete digestion होता है. ओके, प्रोटीन का भी, फैट्स का भी और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का भी. So the carbohydrates get converted into glucose and the proteins get converted into amino acids and the fats get converted into fatty acid and glycerol. Like this, I can explain here. That the proteins get converted into amino acids, okay, and fats converted into fatty acids and glycerol and glucose and carbohydrates into glucose. So these are the important features of the small intestine. Okay, just have a quick review of that. It is 7 meter long. In herbivores, it is longer small intestine because they have to digest cellulose. It receives 3 juices: bile juice from the liver, and pancreatic juice from the pancreas, and from its own wall it secretes the intestinal juice. 3 important juices. Then we come that the complete digestion of proteins, fats and carbohydrates takes place in the small intestine. That is, it is a site of complete digestion, and the proteins converted into amino acid, fat into fatty acid, and glycerol, carbohydrates into glucose. So this is a very important part of the small intestine. Now another very important feature, apart from the digestion, one more important feature of small intestine is, shall I write this? The small intestine have finger-like projection. It has finger-like projection like this. Okay, these finger-like projection, what it do? It increase the surface area of small intestine. क्योंकि अभी बताया था ना कि बहुत नैरो होता है, तो ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस होते हैं जो क्या करते हैं कि उसकी सरफेस एरिया को क्या कर देते हैं, इंक्रीज कर देते हैं. These finger like projections are known as villi. इनको हम villi बोलते हैं. ठीक है, an important part of the villi, the first role of the villi, the more people used to ask frequently this question, that what is the role of the villi? The first role of the villi, it increase the surface area of small intestine, and next important role is that it is supplied with the blood vessels. इसके पास blood vessels होते हैं. Okay, so it has the supply of the blood vessels, so it helps in the absorption of the food. Absorption. ठीक है, means apart from the complete digestion also, absorption of the food is also takes place in the small intestine through these structures known as villi. Okay, students. So this is very important part of the digestive system is the small intestine, where the complete digestion takes place, as well as the absorption of the food takes place. Okay, students. In the next lecture, we will cover the large intestine, and we will have a quick summary of the whole digestive system. Okay, have a nice day.